Okay, you should be looking at the lift. Excuse me. The deck of the riding lawnmower. It's an LA 130, 48 inch. Okay. A problem with this deck to start is right here. It's making noise because this piece of metal is gone. I was talking with my neighbor on what to do. He's suggesting that I just cut this off, and what I want to do is to reform it and make it work, but I'm thinking he may just be right to limit the chances, so I'll have to rethink it. Plus the other thing is, if we go in here and look, this, you know, the sunlight's incredible. It's a beautiful day and I can't see because I try to use a little window. It is overpowered by sunlight. Okay. Okay. All right. So coming back here, zooming out as far as I can or in. Okay, let's come back here and we'll try and listen. I'm going to replace all the blades, and if you look, there's little movement here on this one. You can feel a little movement, but not a whole lot. On this one here, the same, a little movement. On this one here, and let me make sure we're zeroed in on it so you can get a good look. Okay. Now listen. Can you see the movement too? This one is worn, so I don't know exactly if I can replace the bearings or not. I'll have to look and see what I'm dealing with, or the whole assembly. I'll need to get 3 blades and go from there. I think this is a 2007, 2008, or yeah, 2007, 8, or possibly a 9. It's a very old lawnmower, but that's the way she goes. All right, gonna remove the blade. Okay. All right. The important thing to remember about this is it has the teeth. I'm going to try and demonstrate just how much movement you have. I don't know if you can see the movement right there, but you can see that that's worn out. So I'm going to see what I can do about ordering one of these right now. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm going to pull the spindle. Okay. Okay. That's a hex. Has a hex pattern on it. Let's see, still here? Okay. Get this off. Looks like it broke inside. That's typical. That one came out. That one broke. There it is. It's out. 4 bolts. Love the power tools. I sure hope I was recording. And I was. I don't know, I may see if I can rebuild this one as well. Am I showing this to you? I got to get a measurement on the length. That's what I'm trying to do. 7 inches from the end of the shafts. Okay, now it's time to go order the parts and to do some video.